My people, make una come see another wahala for inside Nigeria. Hey, una know say Mama Didi they always they talk about all this our Nigeria girls. Where they know they like work that they said they are quickest for money, my correct people. This one will just land so now this December now it land my correct people. Now worry now if for happen my correct people. All this queen where we now they see so my correct people. Hey, I shall not be work. Oh, I shall not be work. Una know the worst thing are their parents. Their parents are the worst people I've ever seen in this life. Do you know that the way they say Nigeria take cast now? Nigeria, you go see 11 years old, 10 years old, even 4 years old. They stand for road, they look for money. They look for money, we want carry them. Una know say as this December just come so my correct people. Una know say our men for Obodo Ibo that they go Nigeria where they go they jogodo them my correct people. This one carry weight to we akpola she come we skirt and blast my correct people. So Nigeria don't reach to this extent where all these girls don't they stand for road as if say na abroad. My people, when I first see this video, I say, this one na Italy for happen, no. Now, when I come here, where the boy, they talk, say, worry, say, worry, guess, say, the day where they born there, the day where they born there, they don't need to dedicate them. No, my brother, you talking where all those people, they don't need to dedicate them to God. My brother, you sure say they even dedicate those ones? They not dedicate them, my correct people. Jesus. Hey, wahala, they not dedicate those one. No. Those one had dedicated to the devil, my correct people. Jesus. When I see them, I surprised. So I not believe my heart until when I hear when the guy they talk as I talk just now. As I was saying, I say most of them, their parents are the problem. Yes, so mothers, as the now they don't block abroad. They not fit come abroad now to do it for Nigeria them. A lot of mothers in that Nigeria, all their home. Now how they are picking. If you be picking, you dey Nigeria. You know they feel help your mama. You know they feel contribute for the house. Even though say you be senior for that house, everybody go they look you like fool. Yes, now what they happen for Nigeria. But when you they feel go outside, they bring something come. Hey, now the best child. My correct people. Okay, let me use myself as an example. Just like then when I did Nigeria, when I not get anything, nobody recognize me, nobody know me. Nobody even they call me how you dey, how body, nobody. But when I don't enter abroad, they can't say the one way not they call me sister before, can't they call me sister, my correct people. And that be this life. Oh. When you get money, you go be friend to everybody. But when you not get money, you go be enemy to everybody. You see the way all these mothers, as I talk just now, mothers and fathers, they are the problem of this, all these young girls where they come from Nigeria, where they do all this nonsense. Their parents are the problem, my correct people. Because one, your pikin not they work. You not put them for hairdressing, you not put them for tailor, you not put them for mechanic, you not put them for any work. When they work, they see hairdressing, they see tailor, they see mechanic, they see weather, they see everything, but they not go learn. Their mother, they not go put them up, but when they go bring money come, they not go even ask the children where they for the see. I do not go see a lot of them that they use and they do money ritual too. The one way not they come house. Now plenty pass the one way they come house. Most of all these girls, the one where they don't kill, now plenty pass. The other day, when I see that boy where they show that I do the video too. When this boy too, he can't carry this girl. He can't battle saying one hairpin. He can't carry this girl where he don't use and finish. He give the girl RIP. He go dig her for where they dig the rest put. Now so they take they end their life for that country where they call Nigeria. They know those girls, they know even they think of how they want to work. They know they think of how they want to even settle down, get small hand job. No. All the one way they think about now how to go do prostitution. The one way go say in the school where mama or papa manage put for school, he go from school, go runs. Now then, now they see they look for sugar daddy, my correct people. All these are the incubus where they Nigeria, where we need to flush comot. If na something when I go fit do, I go filter all the old girls. I go put them for one place. Make I put one work for them, make they go they work because they are too lazy. They look for quick money. Una know say this life, whenever you look for quick money too much, you go land yourself where you're not supposed to land yourself. Many way don't bear RIP, but a lot of them, they know they look at, they know they care. They care about that money. Man, when he carry you go house, you know what the man be? You don't even know. Oh, the name of, I need that money. I need that money. If I not carry and reach house, my mama not go like me. If I not give my mama Christmas money, una see the one way don't pay me now. Where they not feel recognized right now, my correct people. All this lekun where una one hand do na home, where una one hand do na home, una go hand down for 6 feet. Now me mama did they tell you now. Because una home want too much. This Nigeria guests, all this Nigeria guests now Europe no go let una enter to come do ashawo again because the road is closed. Now una they use and suffocate all the men where they come from abroad and the men when they get wife for Nigeria. Una they put fire for their own house. Una know my prayer for una. The time when una go ready to settle down. The one we go see here this side do. The one where they not use to do ritual. The one where they not key. The one where they not jogodo, the jogodo and the finish and there. The time una go ready make una take settle down. At that time, na woman when una not expect, na that time go see te rise up for una. Go make sure say it destroy una marriage. Una go just dey una not dey think of anything. Una not dey think of how una go take learn work. Una no dey think of una life, how una take bring up una children, how una take go school or do whatever, do things. Una go just wake up, una go say na ashawo na be the best. Una go say na to go show una self, stand for road, they look for, I'm beautiful, my breast is big, oh, my nyash is big, oh, I'm tall, oh, I'm short, oh. Na so na what they make her. Na so na what they make her. Mothers, when una no gree tell una children the truth, the kind thing will go happen to those una children, that go happen to una too. Because una not deserve to be a mother, una deserve to be a devil. Una not deserve to date this life at all, because the way una take they do una things, the way una take they spoil una children, una not they even the things say, these children are me carrying for 9 months. I need to tell my children, say, now so it's supposed to be. Even though say money they wanna manage. Go look at many of them right now. Before when me at Nigeria, a lot of people na farm. Na farm, my papa they do, my mama they do. Na farm that they do. No, this time they know they do farm again. Either they look for abroad money or they send their children go stay for road, go look for sugar daddy. Their own parents, they know they do anything again. Their whole parents, all their own now. Now how they go, picking go take bring money for her. Joy today, how far her market? Una go see where mother they discuss with his pikin. How he take the discuss where they take the jogodo, he hope pikin go. He go even tell them everything. Like his mama go even tell them what they go do, how they'll take Kolobi the man do everything. Now so they see some girls where they go know say that man get money where they go give the man RIP too. They go see give the man RIP. Not be only the man they kill them. The girls see they do too. Now then they go juju. Their mama go follow them go juju. Go do the thing, say anything you tell the man go follow you like mumu. He go carry all the whole money when he gets, he go carry and give you. Una go see say some men now, go say he get money before he not get money again. He not go fit tell una wetin happen. All these are the problem. Buhari, wake up, oh, your citizens, they are outside. They are outside misbehaving. Buhari, where are you? Buhari, this Christmas, you cannot even give your citizen money. You cannot even give them money. May they take care of themselves. Instead of them, for you to give them money, they carry their kpekus, they go everywhere. This kind of thing where they happen for Nigeria, so the thing don't they too much, oh. The thing not fair be like this. Nah, they not get shame. They are shameless. They are very, very shameless. My correct people. All these girls for Nigeria, now so now want to live on a life. The one where even their husband has, he go pack a month, he go say, enough is suffer, follow you again. He won't go find where suffer, not they. That is their life in Nigeria. They don't even care what's go happen to them. They don't even care if maybe say motor go jam there for road, or the person will carry for them for motor, he go carry the rock on motor, or he go fit use the do ritual, if anything, they don't really care. All they care about that money. They care about that money like, oh my God, I need that money like crazy. Jesus. All these girls so that they see for Nigeria girls. I pity you, not pity you now. We see they here with the aproko people to narrate now. Ima agwa na ave na wala lao. Ave ne huemu. Ima agwa na agwa. Ima hia na agwa. Ima mana na agwa. Ima hia mie nothing. Can you imagine? Now person picking, not they outside. Now person sisters, not they outside. Wear shorts. They look for customer. Here, Nigeria don't change to abroad though. Abroad not even worse rich like this. So. Abroad not even worse rich like this. It not even worse rich like this. When una want change una own wahala, when una want stop this una own nonsense, when una want start to dey live good life, where people go look una go say, "Oh, I'm proud of my country, Nigeria." Shame not they even let me talk say me I'm from Nigeria. I'm ashamed of saying it because of a lot of una way did that Nigeria way they all spoil am. How long mothers? The time where they go give one of una pikin aruapi. Make una no cry, come out so no una need justice. No more justice for any useless girl in Nigeria anymore. Una see that one they don't cut the hair come out. They look for who know her. Wetin cause am? Not be all this wahala. Now they want find who recognize her, who know her. They no fit know her again because they don't carry the things so they want carry for a body. Now inside this December, all of them they happen. Inside this new year, where my advice for una make una continue. As soon as they continue, now so una life go dey cut short. That's why I talk am. It go dey cut short. The one way no say no one may life cut short. Una go stop all this nonsense. Una go stop am so that una life go dey long. Una go see una children. But if you say no, you not go stop am. You wait for the repercussion. See all of them, no one want learn work. They not they learn work. They not they do anything. They are looking for free money for abroad everywhere. They use their kpeku say they look for all the money. The one way there in Nigeria, where brother, where even get brother or sister for abroad, he die sister or brother go change to a machine. 18 where they collect every day. The day where you not give her, he go say if you went to Nigeria, say they go kidnap you, nothing where they not go talk. As you go help them reach, their head not go ever straight. We the Aproko people, we are here to disgrace you people. Make una not work or make una they look for free money, abroad money, ashawo money, whatever. Make una they look for them. Make una not worry. We the Aproko people, we are here to disgrace una. We are here. So my correct people, now be the matter when I carry come today because I did very, I don't know whether I greet you now, but make una not vex. If I not greet you now, good morning, good afternoon, I greet you according to your time. Yes, so God go bless all of una. But make una share this video, make it go around everywhere, make it go to those useless girls who are in Nigeria. Make una share out to most of their mothers who see they enter Facebook or YouTube where you see get phone to watch video. Make una share on to their mother, make una share on to their father. Some of them, their brothers, see they join, they help them, they do the thing. Make una share on to them. Make them listen to this video. Make una tell them, say, Mama did is very angry with them because this nonsense way that they do, you know, they very, very good. I beg, if una know say una never first subscribe to Mama Didi, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, she will be the first to notify. I love you all. May the good Lord continue to bless you all. Much love and much kisses to you all. I will see you guys on my next video. Guys, please share this video. Follow me on my Facebook, Mama Didi Canada TV show. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you on that notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, she will be the first to notify. Guys, please join my membership. God bless you all. I will see you guys on my next video. Remain blessed. Love you all. See you guys. Bye. Ciao.